Hello everyone, hope you are all fine over there. In this video, I will be including the second and third questions of exercise 1.2. I am Monisha. I am teaching maths and physics from past 10 years for 8th to 12th grade students. Hope you will enjoy the session. So coming to exercise 1.2, here the second question is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay. The first question here is 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is first one 97, second one 77, third one minus 77 and fourth one minus 87. Here we need to calculate what is the 30th term of an AP. Okay, and we had to choose in one of the four alternatives given here. Okay, going on to the solution part. So 30th term of an AP. So 30th term of an AP means here n will be 30. The number of terms will be 30. Okay. Next, they have given 10, 7, 4. I will write it once again. 10, 7, 4, etc. Okay. Here the first term. The first term is A is equal to 10. So this is the first term. This is the first term and this is the second term and this is the third term. Okay, A is equal to 10. Next we need to find the common difference. So common difference is D is equal to preceding term minus the first term, that is T2 minus T1. So T2 is 7 minus T1 is 10. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Okay, so we got n is equal to 30, number of terms A first term is equal to 10 and common difference is equal to minus 3. So what we need to find out here? The 30th term, that is T30 or A30. Okay, T30 we need to find out. For this we need to write Tn formula. Either you can write this Tn as An also or Tn. Both are same. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So Tn we need to find out where n is equal to 30. So T30 is equal to A is 10, the first term is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay. So next T30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. In the next step, you need to multiply plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Plus into minus is minus. So here we need to multiply 29 into 3. So what is 29 into 3? So 29 into 3 is 3 9s are 27. 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So 29 into 3 is 87. So 10 minus 87. Okay, what is 87 minus 10? 87 minus 10 is 77, whereas the larger number as the sign minus, so we need to put minus here. Okay, so the 30th term T30 is equal to minus 77. So which option is correct? The third option. So this is the correct answer. Okay, out of 4 minus 77, the C option is correct. Here we can write the answer is C option minus 77. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the second question. The second question is 11th term of an AP minus 3, minus half, 2, etc. We need to find out the 11th term of an AP, that is T11. Here the first option is 28, second 22, third minus 38 and fourth minus 48 and half. Okay. So 11th term of an AP. So 11th term of an AP means here n is equal to 11. Next, first term. Here in the question, the first term is minus 3, second term is minus half and third term is 2. Okay. So the first term A is equal to minus 3. So next, D, the common difference. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. Okay. So here T2 is minus half. So T2 is minus half. Minus, in the formula itself we have a minus here. So minus here. Next T1. T1 is again minus 3. So when minus comes, we need to put a bracket. So minus 3 is equal to minus half, minus into minus, plus 3. Okay. Next step, here the denominator will be 1. Here the denominator is 2. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Okay. So when the denominator and LCM is same, then the numerator will remain as it is. Okay. Here minus 1. Next, here the denominator is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. 2 3s are 6. So plus 6. What is 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is 5. Divide by 2. So this is the common difference. So D is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Next, moving on to the solution. The formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn we need to find out, where n is 11. A is minus 3 plus n is 11 minus 1 and D is 5 divided by 2. So this is the substitution. Next, T11 is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. Next, 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So in next step, 11 is equal to T11 is equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 5. What is 5 5s are? So 5 5s are, it is 25. I will write it once again. So T11 is equal to minus 3 plus 25. 5 5s are 25. Next, 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3 is 22. 22. Here the larger number is 25 and it has a plus sign. So it is plus 22. So T11 is equal to plus 22. In the option, we have second B option as 22. So this is the answer. So the answer for the second question is B option, that is 22. So this is the easiest problem. Hope you understood this. This is the third question of exercise 1.2. So in the following APs, we need to find the missing terms in the boxes. So you can see here 2 box, that is a missing term, and 26. So we need to calculate by using the Tn formula and we need to fill these boxes. So this is the third question. Let us move on to the first question. I will tell you how to fill these boxes by applying Tn formula. Okay, let us move on to the first question. We need to find out the missing term in first question. Okay. Okay, the solution part is here. We can see here there are 3 terms. So this will be the first term, this is the second term which is missing, and this is the third term. Okay, by solving this we need to find out the middle term, that is T2 term. So T1 is also equal to A, first term is also equal to T1 and that is equal to 2. So which is already mentioned in the question given. Okay, here T3 equation has given, T3 term. So the third term is equal to 26. Okay, first term is 2 and third term is 26. So we need to apply the Tn formula. Okay, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here I will substitute the third term, this term. So Tn, instead of Tn we need to write T3. T3 is equal to, so what is the value of A? The first term value is already given, that is 2. So 2 plus, here n is 3. So 3 minus 1 into D, which is not given. So write D itself. Okay. Next, T3. So what is the value of T3? The third term value is already given, that is 26. So write 26 here. So 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2D. So in the next step, shift 2 to left hand side. Okay, it will become 26 minus 2 is equal to 2D. So 26 minus 2 is 24 is equal to 2D. Okay, so 2D means it's 2 into D. So 2 into D. When you take any number which is in multiplication form to left hand side or right hand side of the is equal to, it will become divided. Hope you know these things. Okay, it will become 24 divided by 2 is equal to D. So 2 1s are and 2 12s are. So the value for D is 12. So this is the value for D. Okay, we have the value for A. A is 2, and D is 12. But this is not the solution which they are asking for. They are asking to find out the second term, right? So next what we have to do is we need to put the formula once again. That is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where we need to find out the second term. T2 we need to find. Here A is 2, which is already given, plus n is T2 means n is 2 minus 1 into D which we have found out, that is 12. So T2 is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into 12. Okay. So what it will become? T2 is equal to 2 plus 12. So T2 is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is the answer for the missing term. T2 is equal to 14. Okay. After solving this, we need to fill the box. This is 14. Hope you understood this. Okay. Let us move on to the second question. So here this first missing box will be T1. The second number 13 is equal to T2. And the third missing box T3 is missing and T4 is equal to 3. Okay. First you need to write whatever equation they are given, whatever terms they are given. That is T2 is equal to 13 and T4 is equal to 3. Right. So we need to substitute both the terms to Tn formula. So Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, first we substitute this one, T2 is equal to 13. Okay, so T2, instead of Tn, we need to write T2 is equal to A not given. If not given, we need to write the same letter A plus n is 2. So 2 minus 1, D is also not given. So write as it is. So T2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1D. They have given the value for T2. What is the value for T2? The value for T2 is 13. So just substitute 13 in the place of T2. It will become 13 is equal to A plus 1D or A plus D. Both are same. So let it be equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. 13 is equal to A plus D. Okay. So this is equation number 1. So next substitute T4 is equal to 3 to the same equation, Tn formula. Okay. So instead of Tn we need to write T4 is equal to A is not given. So write A as it is plus n is 4. T4 means Tn. So n is 4. So 4 minus 1. Again D is not given. Write as it is. So what is the value for T4? In the question the value for T4 is 3. So instead of T4 you write 3 here is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3 and D. Okay. So this will be the second equation. So this is the second equation. After getting two equation, we need to solve equation 1 and 2. Okay. Solve equation 1 and 2. So write the equations. First equation is, I will write it in this form, that is A plus D is equal to 13, and the second one is A plus 3D is equal to 3. Okay. So how to solve an equation? First we need to write first and the second equation in this form. Okay. After that we need to change the sign. If there is no sign meant it will be plus. So we need to change the sign as minus. Here the sign is plus. So we need to change it as minus sign. Here also plus. Therefore we need to change it as minus sign. Okay. Once we change the sign, we need to neglect the sign. We need to neglect the sign which is in the center part, because already we have changed this center sign into the new one. Okay. We need to consider the first one and the last one. Okay. Here this will be plus A. So what is plus into minus? Plus into minus is minus. So A minus A will be 0. So this A cancels each other. Okay. In second term, plus into minus is minus. We need to minus it. We need to subtract it. So 3D minus D is 2D, where the larger number is 3. The sign we interchange it is minus. So the sign here must be minus. Okay. In the next step, plus into minus is minus. 13 minus 3, 10. Here the larger number is 13 and the sign which it signifies positive. So it is positive. Okay. In the next step, we need to write D is equal to 10. divide by minus 2. So we need to divide 10 divide by minus 2. Here what happens? 2 ones are 2 5s are. So here the value for D will be minus 5. Since it is minus 2, when we divide it, it will become minus 5. So we got the value for D. So this is not the answer. We need to get the value for A also. In order to get the value for A, we need to substitute the value of this D to either equation 1 or either in equation 2. Okay. So I will take equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus D is equal to 13. Okay. So in this equation, we need to substitute the value of D. So it will become A minus 5. D value is minus 5 is equal to 13. So A is equal to shift minus 5 to right hand side. It will become 13 plus 5. So the value of A is 18. So now we got the value for D and A. Next what we have to do? We need to calculate T1 and T3. Okay. So what is T1? We know that T1 is the first term which is also equal to A. We have already calculated the value for A. So what is A? 18. So the value for T1 is 18 itself. Okay, 18. So next, second one, we need to find the value for T3. So apply Tn formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here we need to find T3. So what is the value for A? A is 18. 18 plus n is 3. So 3 minus 1 into D is minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. So T3 is equal to 18 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into minus 5. So T3 is equal to 18 plus into minus. Minus 5 2s are 10. Okay. So what is 18 minus 10? The answer is 8. So this is the value for T3. So we got the answer for both the missing boxes. Okay. The value for T1 is 18 and the value for T3 is 8. So this is the way we need to solve if they given the question like this. Hope you understood. It is not confusing because only we need to apply the Tn formula and we need to solve the equation. So thereby we will get the answer easily. So let us move on to the third problem here. So the third problem is 5, 2 missing letters and then 9.5. Okay. So here 5 is T1. So this is T2, this is T3 and this one is T4. Okay. So in the solution part, we need to write what are the given information. So first one is T1 and T1 is also equal to first term which is 5. So first term is given. Next is T4. T4 is equal to 9.5. Here this 9.5 in a mixed fraction form, we need to convert it into proper fraction. Okay. So first 2 into 9, we need to multiply the denominator with the 9 here. So 2 9s are 18 plus 1. So with numerator we need to do addition. Okay. So 2 into 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 divided by 2 is the proper fraction of 9.5. Okay. So T4 is 9.5. Next we need to apply the Tn formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So instead of Tn we need to write T4. T4 is equal to A is given, A is 5 plus n is 4 minus 1 into D we need to find out. So instead of T4 we need to write the value of T4. T4 is 19.5. Sorry, 19 by 2. Okay, 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. Okay, in the next step we need to shift this 5 to left hand side. So 19 by 2 minus 5. So minus 5 is also equal to 5 by 1 is equal to 3D. Here the LCM is 2. Okay, when the LCM and denominator is same, then the numerator will remain as it is. So it will become 19. 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, is equal to 3D. So 19 minus 10 is 9 divided by 2 is equal to 3D. So now we can cancel, that is 3 1s are 3, 3s are. So the answer for common difference is D is equal to 3 by 2. So D is equal to 3 by 2. So we have the value for D and we have the value for A. So what we need to find out? We need to find out T2 and T3. Okay. First one we need to find out T2. T2 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is Tn formula. Whereas T2 is equal to A is 5 plus N is 2. So 2 minus 1 into D is 3 by 2. Okay. So T2 is equal to 5 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. Next, by taking LCM, here 2 will be the LCM. So if denominator and LCM is same, the numerator will remains as it is. Next, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 13 by 2. Okay, either we can write it in this proper fraction form or we can write it in a mixed fraction form. Okay, because since the numbers are given in mixed fraction, we can change into mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction will become 6 1 by 2, because 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 2. Instead of 13 by 2 we can write 6 and half. So what is the value for T2? The value for T2 is 6 1 by 2, that is 6 and half. Okay, second term. Next is third term. We need to find the value for T3 also. So T3 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T3 is equal to A is 5 plus N is 3 minus 1 into D is 3 by 2. Okay. So T3 is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into 3 by 2. Okay. Here 2 get cancels each other. So the remaining will be 5 plus 3 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. So this is the value for third term. So third term is 8. We got 2 missing boxes. So T2 is equal to 6 and half and T3 is equal to 8. Okay, let us move on to the fourth question. Here this is T1. So this is T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So they have given T1 value, that is the first term. First term is equal to minus 4 and they have given the sixth term, that is T6 is equal to 6, and rest of the terms we need to find out. Okay, by applying the Tn formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So first I will substitute the T6 value. So T6 is equal to A is given, A is minus 4 plus N minus 1, N is 6 here. So 6 minus 1 into D is not given. So we have to write D as it is. Okay. So what is the value for T6? So T6 is 6. So 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5D. In the next step, you need to shift this minus 4 to left hand side. So it will become plus 4 is equal to 5D. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is equal to 5D. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So D is equal to 2. Okay. So D is equal to 2. So we have the first term and common difference. So what we need to find out? T2, T3, T4 and T5. So first one is T2. So T2 is A plus, instead of N we can write 2. So 2 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. It will become A plus D. So what is A here? A is minus 4 and D is 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So the value for T2 is minus 2. So we need to fill the box. It is minus 2. Okay. So next, moving on to the second one, that is T3. So T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. This is N minus 1. Instead of N I have written 3 directly. Okay. 3 minus 1 into D. It will become A plus 2D. So A is minus 4 plus 2 into D is 2. So it will become minus 4 plus 4. What is minus 4 plus 4? So minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So the third term is 0. So next moving on to T4. So T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So it will become A plus 3D. So A is minus 4 plus 3 into 2. That is minus 4 plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So 2 is the value for fourth term, T4. So next, it is T5. So T5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 4D. So A is minus 4 plus 4 into common difference D is 2. Therefore, we get minus 4 plus 4 to the 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is the value for T5. So we got T2, T3, T4 and T5. We get all the 4 terms. Hope you understood this problem. So moving on to the last problem of this session. So the fifth problem. So here this is T1, this is T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So here the given terms are T2 is equal to 38 and T6 is equal to minus 22. So these two terms are given here. So let us apply Tn formula. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need to substitute both the terms into this formula. Okay, first I am substituting T2. T2 is equal to A plus n is 2. So 2 minus 1 into D as it is. A and D are not given. So the value for T2 is 38. 38 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore it will become D. Okay, this is the first equation. That is 38 is equal to A plus D is the first equation. Again we need to substitute T6 is equal to minus 22 to this formula. So it will become T6 is equal to A plus n is 6. So n minus 1 into D. The value for T6 is minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. So this will be the second equation. Okay. So this is the second equation. So now we need to solve equation 1 and 2. Okay. Solve equation 1 and 2. So I will write it in. I will write A plus D this side. So A plus D is equal to 38 and A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So here first we need to interchange the sign. If there is positive sign, we need to change it to negative. So positive to negative and negative. Here it is minus 22. So we need to change it as positive sign, plus. Okay. So here plus A and minus A gets cancels each other. Here plus into minus, minus 5D minus D is 4D. Whereas the larger number 5D has a sign minus here. So put negative sign. So next, so when we interchange the sign, we need to reject the middle, whatever sign is there in the middle term. Okay. So here plus into plus, plus. So we need to add 38 plus 22. Okay. 38 plus 22 is, so it will become 70. Okay, sorry. So it will become 60. Okay. So D is equal to 60 divided by minus 4. Here it is minus 4. So 60 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are and 2 carry. So 4 5s are. Okay. So D will become, here it is minus 4. So D will become minus 15. So the value for common difference is minus 15. So when we get the common difference, we need to find the value for A, the first term. So equate this D is equal to minus 15 either to equation 1 or either to equation 2. So now I am substituting it to equation 1. So substitute D value to equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 is 38 is equal to A plus D. So 38 is equal to A. Here D value is minus 15. So D value is minus 15. Okay. Next we need to shift this minus 15 to left hand side. It will become 38 plus 15 is equal to A. So 38 plus 15 is 53 is equal to A. So the value for A is 53. So we get A value and D value. We need to find out the value for T1, T3, T4 and T5. Okay. First one is T1. We know that T1 is also equal to first term A, and first term A is already given, that is A is equal to 53. So this is the value for first term. Next is third term. So T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So A plus 2D. Okay. So A plus 2D. A is 53 plus 2 into D is minus 15. So 53. So plus into minus, minus 15 2s are 30. So it will become 23. So this is the value for T3. So the value for T3 is 23. So we got the value for T1. The value for T1 is 53 and the value for T3 is 23. Okay. So next we need to find out the value for T4. So T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So T4 is equal to A is 53 plus 4 minus 1, 3 and D is minus 15. Okay. So 53 plus into minus, minus 15 3s are 45. So what is the value for T4? So 53 minus 45 is 8. So this is the value for T4. So T4 is equal to 8. So next, the last term, that is T5. T5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So A plus 4D. Okay. So A is 53 plus 4 into D is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus, minus 15 4s are 60. So 60 minus 53 is 7, whereas the larger number sign is minus, so we need to put minus here. Okay. So T5 is equal to minus 7. So T5 is equal to minus 7. So this is the last problem of this session. Hope you understood this. Maybe they will give this for 2 marks or for choose the correct answer. So one of the 2 questions will be compulsory. Okay. Thank you.